Hey y'all, welcome to Humming Catfish. Today we're going to be making a peanut lover's peanut brittle. So put on your apron, grab your nuts, and let's go. Every year in the fall, my grandma made peanut brittle, and she was good at it. Like, really good at it. So today, I'm making her recipe, only it's a little bit different. And to explain why, I gotta take you back to 1984 really quick. It's time to make my famous peanut brittle. It's just the perfect ratio of peanut to candy. Hey, Grandma. Oh, well, hi there, little one. I was wondering if maybe we could try some extra peanuts in a batch just for me. What's that? You want me to put more peanuts in there? I think it tastes good. All right. There you go. More peanuts. Little peanut pig. What'd you say, Grandma? No, I said you're getting so big. Go outside and play with your sisters. This is still gonna have the same really good candy part of it that my grandma made. It's just we're gonna have more peanuts. Double peanuts. I'm the granny now, so I get to add all the peanuts that I want. To get the most flavor in your peanut brittle, make sure you're using raw peanuts. They're actually gonna roast in the sugar, and that spreads the flavor all throughout it. When you add peanuts that are already cooked to a peanut brittle, they're already cooked and sealed, so they're not really doing much to the rest of the candy part. You might get some of the flavor, but not that full flavor that you're gonna get if you're actually roasting them in the sugar. It's also gonna have a nicer color. It won't be that light tan color that you sometimes get. It's gonna have that dark amber color. Before we start cooking, we definitely wanna have everything ready. Because once the sugar starts heating up and it's starting to climb, you can't exactly stop stirring to go butter a pan. So what you wanna get ready and set to the side is 4 cups of raw peanuts, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a half teaspoon of salt, and 4 tablespoons of butter. I just kind of have it cut up so it melts in there nicely. Once the peanut brittle is finished, we're gonna be pouring it out. I like to use 2 pans because I don't like a real thick slab of peanut brittle that, I don't know, kind of hurts your teeth when you bite into it. I like it a little bit thinner, so I spread it out over 2 pans. I'm gonna get 2 baking sheets, line it with parchment paper, that's optional, and then I'm gonna butter the parchment paper. Now that we have everything ready, let's make some peanut brittle. Make sure you're using a heavy bottomed pan. If it's too thin, the sugar will burn in certain spots. I'm gonna do 2 cups of sugar, a half cup of water, and 1 cup of corn syrup. Got this over a medium heat, and I'm just gonna let it start melting and heating up. This is starting to bubble, so I'm gonna clip my thermometer onto the side. We're gonna let this go till it gets up to around 250, 260, and then we're gonna add the peanuts. Got this at about 255, so I'm gonna add the salt and the peanuts. So that's gonna make the temperature go down. So we are gonna bring it back up and take it up to 300. And in that time, the peanuts are gonna start roasting and it's gonna start turning a nice amber color. The skins also help with that. And I think the skins add a good flavor to it. Make sure you keep stirring it so that the peanuts don't scorch. Wanna make sure they're all evenly roasted in there. Got our temperature starting to climb again, and these peanuts are smelling so good. See, the color's starting to change a little bit. Got about 20 more degrees. All right, I got that to 300. So I'm gonna add in the butter and the vanilla. That out of there. Goodness, that smells so good. All right, gonna add the baking soda and get this poured. All right, I'm just gonna kind of get this a little bit spread. Just gonna pull these off the pan. Be careful because the pans are hot. And once they cool down a little bit and you can touch them safely, you can, this is just optional. I like thin peanut brittle, but you can pull it, kind of stretch it out. I was already working on this one, but like that, this is completely optional. All right, I think that looks good. Once it's cooled down, then you just kind of pick it up and drop it. And it breaks into nice pieces. But you can see that is plenty of peanut. And then put it in an airtight container, and I just layer some parchment paper in there so it doesn't end up all one big sticky mess. Doesn't tend to stick together too bad because of the butter, but this should last about 6 to 8 weeks. But I don't know anybody that actually has peanut brittle left over after 1 week. Let's do a little taste test. The peanuts are roasted to perfection. If you wanted a lighter roast with your peanuts, I would add them closer to the 300 mark so they're not sitting as long in the sugar. But that is really good. Definitely satisfies the little peanut pig in me. Well, that's all I got for y'all this week. I really appreciate you watching this video. And if you like what I'm doing, I sure would appreciate if you hit the like button. And if you really like what I'm doing, I'd appreciate if you considered subscribing to the channel. So until next time, I'll see y'all later.